Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this look and what I used to do it, so keep on watching. For this look I'm going to be starting with the foundation primer by Bare Minerals, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, there we go, and I'm going to rub it all over my face. This helps fill in your pores and makes putting foundation on a lot easier, and it makes your skin feel a lot smoother. Okay. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder foundation, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Oh. There we go. And to put it on, I'm going to be using a wet beauty blender, and I'm just going to pat it all over. Now, usually when you put foundation on, you pat it on, because if you start rubbing it on, it gets all, like, it looks all streaky. Okay, once we're done putting the foundation on, we're gonna put this concealer on, and I'm using the Maybelline concealer. And I'm gonna put it under my eyes, like that. And then a little bit on my chin, right, a line on my nose. And I'm just gonna do 3 little lines on my forehead. And to blend this, I'm gonna use the other side of my beauty blender. So not the side I use the foundation on. And I'm gonna pat it on there just like I did the foundation. But this concealer, or any concealer, helps brighten up these areas of your face. And you usually use 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Okay, now for contour, I'm gonna be using this NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm gonna put it right under my cheekbone, and I'm just gonna put a line right there, and another one right there, and then I'm gonna do like a few lines on my forehead, like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the concealer. I'm just gonna blend it on. When you do contour, just like the concealer, you use 2 shades darker than your skin tone. 1 or 2 shades darker. So after we're done all the foundation and contour, we're going to be putting on the powder later. But for my eyes, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow base from Bare Minerals, and I'm going to put it on both eyelids. Okay. And this makes the eyeshadow go on a lot better. So I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to put a little bit on top of my eyelid too, because we're going to be putting foundation there. Okay. Now for this look, we are going to be using 2 eyeshadow colors from the Naked palette. And the first color I'm going to use is the Naked color, right there. And I'm going to use a big, not really big, but like a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to put it right in the crease and just do circular motions like that. Okay, once this is done, I am going to be using this Sin color. It's kind of like a pinkish color. And instead of using a normal makeup brush, I'm going to be using the kind of like a sponge makeup eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to do it like that. and put it all over my eyelid. Okay, now for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be doing winged eyeliner, and by doing this, I'm pretty much gonna, once I do the line right here, I'm gonna be following this line. So I'm gonna go like right there. So like follow my under eye right up there. I'm just gonna do a line like that. And a line right there. And then we're just gonna complete it by doing the line all up here. Now if you mess up with the eyeliner on top, like right here, usually you can just use eyeshadow to cover it up. Like it really, if you have like a bump or something, you can just put eyeshadow right on top of it and it'll hide it. Okay. Now, with a black makeup pencil, I'm gonna be putting it right like under my eye, right there, and it just makes it look a lot fuller. It makes the like eyeliner look like you did it thicker, but you can still see all the eyeshadow, so it's not like we're putting a lot on top. Okay. Now for under my eye, I'm gonna use the oh, where is it? Okay. I'm gonna be using this buck color and put a little bit on my brush. And with my finger, I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna push it like that, so it's like a line. And I'm gonna put it right under. Okay. Okay. And same with this eye, I'm gonna put the black pencil right under. Okay. Okay. Now for my eyebrows, I'm gonna start out with this brown pencil, and I'm just gonna do two lines right on bottom. Well, one line on bottom, and then one on the top. And this just gives your eyebrow like a shape, so you know where to color it in with the eyebrow filler. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, now with this Anastasia eyebrow filler, we're gonna be using the medium brown color, like this, and the same Anastasia brush. And I'm just gonna dip it in there a little bit and start filling it in, mostly from the middle, and work my way back. And then with whatever's remaining on the brush, we're gonna fill in right there. brush them out. Okay, and then same thing. The other bow, go start from the middle, work our way back, and then go right here. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the foundation powder on, and I'm using the Bare Minerals Warm Natural 12. And I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and just put it all over my face. Okay, now for the contour powder, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and I'm going to use the color Debutante right there. And with the smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to get a little bit on there and just put it right under my cheekbone. And then I'm gonna put a little bit up here too. Okay. Now, since I don't have any blush, I am gonna be using one of the colors on the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna be using this pink right there. This one. And I'm just gonna put it right on my cheekbone, so right there. And then with the big brush, I'm gonna blend these two together. Not blend them, but make them a little. There we go. Okay. Now for highlight, we're gonna be using the same palette we used for the contour, and I'm gonna use this Beam color, and I'm using the same brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna put it right on top of where I put the blush. And then with my hand, I get a little bit on there, same Beam color, and put it right under my eyebrow. Okay, now last but not least, I'm going to be using this Morphe lipstick. It's a matte color and it stays on for a very long time. Okay. Okay, so I almost forgot about mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal, and I don't have any primer right now, but sometimes I put some mascara primer, and it just makes the mascara look a lot fuller. But it's okay. 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 Now, last thing, I'm gonna be putting the Bare Minerals, and I'm just gonna do it right, like after I put lipstick on, so like that. Okay, we're all done. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be putting a link to everything I used in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so you'll know the next time I upload a video. See y'all in the next video.